Test, test, test. What's going on, y'all? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on, y'all? What's going on? Man, it's been a crazy, crazy week. We got a couple sites we're looking at, y'all. As far as news today, we have USD Canadian news at 8:30. Going to be going live with members during that. And we have some retracements taking place with a couple of these charts. Again, with GJ, it wasn't too surprising. It was kind of expected because, again, when we just look at the bigger scale of things, we can see that prices shooting up for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, literally 10 days in a row. So a retracement was due, especially after we just broke through this level right here. Now, we're going to be watching these next upcoming levels because we are so technically bullish, but we're not sure how aggressive or how much farther this price is going to continue to retrace. So we're just going to let it do its thing, and we'll see how it reacts to these next coming levels. So as far as setups we're looking at going into, we're going to be sales. Would have been a nice setup here, but as we can see, this thing started this dump an hour before we went live. So we're just going to meet price at this next point right here. So a price can break 76.45 and hold that as resistance. We can look for sales going to 75.70, possibly 75.25. And then we can also see possible GA sales. GA just broke this level, so GA can hold 94.40 as resistance. We can look for sales going to 9400 and possibly down to 93.60. All right, y'all. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. When we get any charts, drop them in the chat. Make sure to hit that first link in the description and join the free signal, free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. Got a new 5-minute about to pop up in a little bit. Now, as far as how we've been doing so far this week, we are 4-0 this week. And again, make sure to check out the Sunday chart analysis. Even though it is Friday, just check out and see how price was looking at Sunday. And you'll see a lot of the charts, if not all of them, are going as projected, have been going as projected from the beginning of the week. But as far as how we're doing so far this week, we are, I believe we're 4-0, right? Yeah, we're 4-0 this week. Yesterday, we caught a nice GBPJPY. TP7 got hit, caught 44, which was this setup right here. Nice 1 and 2 short, and we broke this down during yesterday's live stream as well during London session. So if y'all missed yesterday's live stream, make sure to check that out as well. A lot of charts were going as projected yesterday also. And then the day beforehand, we hit the final TP on that. Nice 1 to 4 short ratio here. Actually took multiple positions on that, but this was the last main one before we saw a retracement right here. And then that bringing us into Tuesday. Tuesday, we were still in this NAS position. We caught this during on Monday. And then we had another GU buy setup. All TPs got hit, 61 pips. So you can see right here with the GU setup on the 24th. I personally took 2 positions, with the main entry in the main first position was nice 1 to 3 with short ratio. Second position nice at 1 to 2, right? And then how we started off the week on Monday was a NAS trade. TP3 got hit, which was these trades right here. So that's how we're doing so far this week. We're on like a 8-trade or 9-trade win streak because last week we went 4-0 as well. Took 0 losses last week also. So after Monday next week, we're going to be doing the recap of the month as well as the recap of the quarter, because new quarter 4 is going to be starting next month. But if you scroll up to September 3rd, you can see how we ended last month. We ended August 13-1, gave us a 93% win rate, caught 27,727 pips. And then if you scroll to July 2nd, you'll see how we ended quarter two, April 16-4, 69,396 pips. Before we get into that, let me make sure. GJ went as projected yesterday as well. I was in the London session live. I'm doing this alert now, so we can do it. I'm not against looking for a buy setup here. So you guys got any questions? Drop them The chat, when we're looking at any charts dropping in the chat, we're just chilling, patiently waiting right now. So again, May we went 15-4, catching 47,957 pips, and in June we went 13-3, catching 1,006 pips. Ending quarter 2, 44-11, giving us an 80% win rate, catching a total of 118,359 pips. So we've been absolutely killing it this year, as well as the again. We're waiting to see if price can break and hold 76 resistance. We're looking at Euro New Zealand right now. We're calling some nice sells on it this week. So if we can break this level and hold it as resistance, we can look for continued sales and the next lower low to come into play. That's what we're looking at right now. We can also see GA sales as well. If GA can break and hold 94.40 as resistance, you can see sales going down to 9,400, possibly 93.55. And as far as GJ and NAS, we're going to let it do its thing for a little bit. All right, new 15 just popped up. Let's see what we got going on. All right, so we're going to see if we can hold this level right here. Those just joined the stream, we have not entered anything yet. These are just trade ideas. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal and free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. You guys got any questions? Drop in the chat. We're going to need charts. Drop in the chat. We're just chilling, patiently waiting right now. Yeah, I like how this is looking. We might hop in this in a little bit. I like an EN as well. Again, GA has been consolidating and ranging for literally over a month. And we do have this level of traffic to the left here. So it's got a little bit of work to do, but I do like this for a sell setup right here. I like EN as well, though. 15 popped up. So we see here that it touched the level, but again, we're waiting to see if it can not just touch it, but break and hold it as resistance. The EAs broke this level as well. But let's see what this next 15 looks like. Again, we do got a couple news events popping up at 8:30 with Canadian and USD news, but that's pretty much it for the week. All right. Those are just doing the stream. We have not entered any trades yet. Those are just trade ideas. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal, free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. You guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. When we're looking at any charts, drop them in the chat. But we're just chilling, patiently waiting right now. Again, there's no rush to get any trades, especially how we've been doing this week. We're 4-0 this week, we're 4-0 last week. So again, there's no rush to, take or rush any setups. Man, I stayed talking with my mic muted. Um, Basically, I was just talking about everything's just been kind of just chilling in place right now. And the main pair I'm going to be paying attention to and watching is Ian. We got a new 15 about to pop up though, so we're about to see what this next 15 looks like. Looks like it's about to go for around 3 right here though. If you guys got any questions, drop them in the chat. When looking at your charts, drop them in the chat. Make sure to like the live and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. We're almost at 2,800 subscribers. We can get to that easily. Make sure to check out the playlist as well. All playlists are up to date. Ian teasing us right now. It's trying, but again, this is a very strong level here. This is the furthest price has been going all week after price did this. That's when we had the reversal slash retracement on Wednesday. And then yesterday we had price push back down. But as you can see, last night Price rejected that level and then pushed back down right before London session. So again, we can hold this level as resistance. We can see a nice another dump come into play here. All right, y'all members, we're going to be going live again during the New York news today at 8:30. So be on the lookout for that link. And again, y'all, the couple settings we're looking at right now, we're going to be looking at possible continued NAS and GU buys. Now, NAS as well as GU, had done some pretty big moves this week. New higher highs have been made. So today might be a retracement day, especially if the news doesn't do anything too crazy. So don't be too shocked or surprised about that. But if NAS can break back above and hold 20,180 as support, we can look for buys to go back up to 20,100, possibly 20,460. Now, it could end up retracing back down to 20,000. And if we can hold that level of support, you can look for buys there as well. And then with GU, kind of same situation. If it could break back above and hold 33.85 support, we can look for buys going back up to 34.10 and possibly up to 34.45. And then with EN, we're going to be looking for sells on EN. If it can break and hold 76.45 as resistance, we can look for sells going to 75.75, possibly down to 75.10. And then with GJ, that ended up retracing as well. Again, we're pushing up for 10 days straight, and it just broke some levels to the left in the previous highs. So if it could break back and hold 191.90 as support, or if it mainly to break 193 as support, we can look for continued buys there. So that's pretty much going to be the game plan for today, y'all. Again, it's been a great week. Especially I've been following along in the live streams or the Sunday chart analysis. So again, it's Friday, the month's about to end. So again, if you don't see anything that's meeting your confirmations or your rules aren't met, there's no reason to feel like you need to take a setup or you need to force a trade. You know what I'm saying? Again, trading is all about going for high probability, high quality setups. And again, it's all about consistency. So you guys gotta consistently stick to your trading plans, consistently follow the same rules, consistently follow the same setups, go for the same setup, consistently risk the same amount. And then after you do that consistently for like a week or month basis, then you can, go over and see if you need to revise or add or improve or take away things, right? Because if you go by day basis is important, but you know what I'm saying? If you don't have like a month worth of data or a quarter worth of data, especially when it comes to trading, you don't have that much to really go off of. And again, sometimes a stop loss can get hit, but it's not necessarily because you are wrong, or you should have went for a sell instead of a buy, or a buy instead of a sell. All right. Shout out to everybody in the live. Shout out to everybody that's been in the live since the beginning. Shout out to everybody that's been in the live since you joined. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal from Telegram to see how we did last month and last quarter. The interest link how to identify these levels, my student services, my membership program. You already know what to do. Hit those links in the description. And yeah, we're gonna be back at it next week. Running session 3 on EST. Y'all enjoy y'all's weekend.